What are people's favourite place to go and get your ice cream? Whoa! Best chip shop is in Southend. Hi, welcome to Pain Life. And today we've come to Southend because we're going to visit the sea life and check out what's around. It's a really nice hot day. Come with us, enjoy the fun. So here we are on Southend Beach. There's a couple of people in the kayaks there, paddling along. I would quite like to be doing that right now. That looks good, doesn't it, Jack, over there? So this is the view you get. This is actually the longest pier in the world. Yeah, I think it's over a mile long, Jack. I have to look up exactly how long it is. I don't think we're going to be walking that today. Look, if we look over there, there's people paddle boarding, there's boats in the water, all sorts of stuff going on. So we parked right next to the Premier Inn down here because it was an empty car park. We're going to show you around, aren't we?
Yeah.
Right, come on then.
And we're going to show you all the dinosaurs when we get here.
Yeah, so we're going to go into the sea life, which is just down here on the right hand side.
Dinosaurs are on just the left side.
Yeah. So I've heard a lot of things about this this fish and chip shop here. Basically, people say don't go there, just avoid this one. But there we go. Yeah, it's that pier out there. Look, such a nice day today. Coming in. Are you scared, Jack? That's all right. That dog's not going to do anything to you. Don't worry. That's it. You want to hold Charlie's hand? Yeah.
Come with me to the sea life.
Let's go. That's it. Whoa, that was a big jump. Right, so just in the distance over there, you can actually see a place. I don't know if it's still called it, but it used to be called Peter Pan's. I don't know what it's called now, so we're going to have to go and have a look. I think it's called Adventure Island or something like that. But you can get annual passes and stuff like that to go there. I don't think it's that expensive to get a ticket on the door anyway. But I think it's okay. It's got a classic seaside fun fair stuff. But maybe we'll go and have a look at that if we get time. Yeah, I might be lucky to see one on the beach. What's meant to be in there then, Charlie? The sea otters, or the otters. I don't know if they're sea otters, but otters. They've got a nice enclosure on the left as you walk in. And penguins over here on the right. But I reckon, oh, there they are, just down there. We're going to go see them in a little while. Pretty pongy. It's a one-way system. Let's go, boys. Let's go in here. Whoa, look at this. So you've got these quizzes as you go along, where you can push the different buttons. Whoa, look! I think there's crabs in here, Charlie. Let's have a look. Oh. Yeah, hold on. Oh, he's just down there, look. Just that crab there. You see him? Oh. What we got down here? What we got, Charlie? They've got these little pieces of information that we can, yeah, okay, we will do. So you've got these pieces of information on each fish or the group of fish that you get in each tank as well. I'm pretty sure Sea Life do this in all of them. There's another one here, for example, just there. All the different fish we get around the British coastline. Yeah, go on.
Daddy's going to show you the place.
Oh yes, there is a place in here, isn't there? And what's that place? Where is that place? Can we see him?
Here.
Oh yeah, just down there.
Yeah, we can't see him.
He's camouflaged on the floor.
That's why we can't see him, can we?
That's right.
What does camouflage mean? Invisible, doesn't it?
That's right, it does. How many hearts does an octopus have, Jack? How many is it? 3 hearts, that's
An
right.
octopus has 3 hearts. I bet he's popular on Valentine's Day.
That was good. Come on then, next one.
I got 1 heart.
Come on then. Oh look, you've got lots of seahorses here. See any of that? Oh look, there we go. What have you found in here? Look, there's the spiny lobster that we were talking about. Look, that's good, isn't it, Charlie? Wow. So what can you tell me about the anglerfish, Jack?
They have got a little light coming out of their head. That's shape, and this little light
Yeah.
big as a football.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
How long can an African lungfish live out of water? How long do you think? 2 minutes, 20 minutes, 3 months, or 2 years? Don't touch that, Charlie, it's a bin. Go on then, press it.
Well done. It's amazing, but true. They can live in burrows of hardened mud beneath dried up stream beds.
Wow. You say eel? Oh, and what's over there? What's over here in this one? Have a look here, Jack. Sorry. Oh, starfish. Oh, and some crabs as well, eh? Spiny starfish and
a toad crab.
toad crabs. Fishes. Okay. Oh, look, there's another question here, Jack. Look, what is hard coral reef made from? Sand, limestone, fish bones, or marshmallow? What do you think?
Maybe the high one.
What? This one, limestone. Yeah, should we try? Well done. Look at all these different tanks. Yeah, look. Look at that, Charlie. Yeah? Oh, little. Look, what are they? Are they shrimp, Charlie?
I think it's a fire.
They're shrimp, Charlie, look.
Where isn't it then?
Where's what?
Sea anemone.
Oh, very good. The sea anemone, I don't know. I think maybe they got too big in there to move it. Oh, look, there's another question, Jack. Look, what is the largest fish in the world?
Whale shark.
Oh, okay, press it then.
Well done. The whale shark is the largest fish in the sea.
Oh, so actually I think that they, in there, are called clouded archerfish. And then over here, these ones are called rainbow fish. Because they look like a rainbow, don't they?
This is called a rainbow.
Yeah, a rainbow fish. Oh look, there's a little crayfish down there. A crawfish. Oh, Charlie, look at those colourful fish. Wow.
I wonder where that yellow goes.
Whoa, what are these ones called, Charlie? What are they called?
Actually,
They're piranha.
where's the rainbow trout there? Where's the rainbow trout?
Yeah.
They're called rainbow trout, aren't they?
Yeah. Coming in, boys. What's out here?
Let's go, it's like the monkey.
It does, doesn't it? Oh, look, so they've got a massive monkey enclosure here as well. Wow, look. Where are the monkeys then? What kind of monkeys are they? Let's have a look. So what do you call a group of monkeys, Jack?
I don't know.
It's called a troop.
Very funny.
It is, that's what it's called, a troop. And they're all on the floor, look, foraging for food. Oh, look. Oh yeah, look. So you've got dinosaurs here as well. But let's have a look in here. Wow, let's have a look. Oh, look. Yeah, all the monkeys in there. Yeah. Monkey. So we've now entered the land of dinosaurs. And we're going to take a look around in here. It's really hot, so bear that in mind if you do visit. It doesn't matter if it's winter, summer, whatever it is, it's always hot in here because, I don't know why, I think because they've got lizards and animals and different things like that in here, so that's why it's really hot. But let's have a look, see what we got.
Is that big thing called a Dilophosaurus?
What is it called, darling?
It's called a Dilophosaurus.
A Dilophosaurus. Yes, it is. It is actually called a Dilophosaurus, yes. Well done. Look at that. Whoa. Whoa, look at this. Oh, what is it called? That's right, crocodile. Look, Charlie, a crocodile. And what's the biggest dinosaur in here? Oh, let's have a look. Whoa! So you've got these tubes. Look at these tubes, Jack, everywhere. Look, and they run throughout the whole place. And then we've got loads of different butterflies. Look at this. Look at this big one. What's in here? Oh, there's another one, isn't there? Look.
Oh no, I can't see it.
It's camouflaged. Oh, look at that big snake, look. That big snake over there.
What is it, a green one or?
There's all sorts of butterflies flying around in here. I don't know if it's coming out on camera. There's quite a few in here. Wow. Oh, what are they, Charlie? Oh, yeah. Is an African dwarf crocodile.
Oh yeah, you're right.
Yeah.
Look, there's green.
Coming in. Oh, look. There's a little lizard just there. Oh. You see one? That's all the, what they call that now, the chrysalises. cocoons and chrysalises, I guess. That's where they're all born, aren't they, all the butterflies? And what have they got around the corner here? Look. Whoa, giant turtles, tortoises. Big ones. Yeah, they're turtles, are they?
Yeah.
Giant turtles. How much?
£700.
£700? Whoa! Yeah. Really fast, are they? Let's go through here. Look, what's through this bit then? Let's go. Oh. Come on in.
They come out at the day.
Do they? Oh, look, this is where the ants farm is. Look. This is where they're all going to. Look. Look how many ants there are.
That's a big problem, isn't it?
Whoa. And they live on this island, look. So, there's another window to the turtles there. So what's their names then, Jack? We've got Bert and Ernie. And Hank. And they've got 3 giant turtles. Oh, they're tortoises, they're called. What are they called, Charlie?
Meerkat.
A meerkat? Come on then, let's keep up with Charlie. So you can have a little picnic here in the middle. Charlie's off, he knows where he's going. All sorts of different little meerkats just in there. Oh, now there, look, baby tortoises.
Hey, they're called turtles.
Oh, they're called turtles, them ones, are they?
Oh, what?
Chip and Dale. Okay. Oh, it's a mongoose. What have they got in there then?
Look, you can see Chip. Chip.
There we go. And they run around like nutters, don't they? In this. Can't really see the sun's shining off it. Alright, coming in. So there's a mongoose there. I think they're just feeding them. She looks like she's going to give them a bath.
This is what it's called. Look.
Oh, penguins. Come on then. Let's have a look at the penguins. Oh, look, there's all different creatures here. Yeah, what kind of creatures have we got? Whoa, there's a big spider in there, look.
And a big
Oh, he's hiding in the corner just down there. I don't think we can see it, but there he is. Let's have a look what's in here. Ah, giant African snail, look. Wow.
Look,
What's in there? Oh yeah, big toad. What else? Oh, there's a few beetles and stuff down there. The beetles. Yeah. What have we got in here? Corn snakes. A couple of corn snakes in here. I don't know.
Oh, in here there's little crickets.
Oh yeah.
See the crickets?
Just
oh,
there,
look,
yeah.
something new coming.
Oh, let's have a look at these penguins.
There's something new coming.
Oh yeah, something new coming. Look, we've got, this is where you can see all the back end of the aquariums and stuff as well. Get a little glimpse into the pump rooms and things. What they got, Jack? Let's come and have a look at the penguins quick then first. Charlie, look! Penguins! So normally the penguins are swimming around in here, I think. It's a hot day, so I'm surprised they're not jumping in. Must be waiting for some food, I guess, hey? Oh, this is... Ah, so this is, we're underneath where we came in now, aren't we? Look. Charlie! The penguins, Charlie. Oh yeah, look. Jack's off. Oh. Yeah, so we've got like a pirate ship theme place. Oh look, Charlie, look. Wow, let's have a look. What can we see, huh? Ah, what's that? Hey Charlie, what can you see? Californian horn shark? Let's have a look. There's a Californian horn shark. Just in there, yeah.
Dory in there.
Dory was in there, was she?
Yeah.
Oh. What are these ones?
They're spotted Californian horn shark.
Oh, okay.
They've got spots on them, haven't they?
Yeah.
See the cannons away.
Come on then. Oh, so what have they got here? So they've recently been renovating this, haven't they? So there's not much about. But they said there's a few little fish in here. So I've had word from the reception that the sharks are coming and they will put some more creatures or sea creatures in here soon. Or fish, should I say, whatever they're call it. They're going to put some more in, basically. They've just renovated this whole section. Let's take a look at what it looks like so far. Oh look, there's your favourite shark. I don't know if it'll come out. Yeah, wobblegong shark, eh? Right, quick, let's get Charlie. Where's he gone? Ah, there he is. Oh look, Charlie's found something. What's Charlie found? An eel, look, a moray eel. Wow. Well done, Charlie. Here, hold my hand, Charlie. Massive, huh? Look at this. What? Look, this is a tiger shark's jaws. Look at that.
Tiger sharks must have been
That's a scale. You wouldn't want to meet one of them, would you? Right. All right. So we're in the shop. Boys run off. Decided they want to get to the shop. Oh, what you got here then? All these little picamix, but different creatures.
This is a skeleton. This is what a skeleton of a Dinosaur would look like.
Whoa. There's a view outside again. Was that alright, was it? Alright. See a big boat coming just over there. There's people kayaking. There's lots of people on the beach today.
We're now going home, aren't we?
We're going to have a little walk first, I think.
Before we go home.
So, we've just come out to Sea Life. I think it was quite quiet today, really, so that was good.
And we're going to have a look at the beach.
Yeah, we're going to have a look at the beach. We've got some good footage of everything in there to sort of show you guys around the sea life. So now we're just going to take a little stroll along the beach, take you with us, or along the promenade, not the beach, and yeah, see what we can see.
Yeah, let's have a look.
Let's have a look. Yeah. So what's the best chip shop in Southend then? What do we think? Maybe you can answer in the comments to see what you guys think. What do you think the best chip shop is in Southend? Where'd you get your chips from? Comment down below, and yeah, we'll have a chat about it. See who wins that one. Public toilets just there. There's also some toilets just behind there. There's plenty of toilets, public toilets around the place. Okay, don't. You just. That's good. It'll tire you out. That's what I want. I want you to be tired. Yes. There's some pretty cool graffiti under there. Have a look at that. That turtle. That's pretty cool. Ah, look now. Every now and then, when you come down here, you get people. They come and do their like roller disco on there. They will do dancing and stuff, and they put their headphones on, and they do like a little dance, I guess. Must be a thing. I know it was a thing back in the 70s. Alright, so here's a water feature over here where people put their kids. I don't know, for me, I don't think that's a good idea, because I think kids will slip over and hurt themselves, and it's probably too many people about to put your kids in there, but that's just my opinion. I wouldn't. Come on in, Jack. Staying close, yeah? In front of me. So aside from the fish and chips then, what are people's favourite place to go and get your ice cream? Because we're going to come up on a place where we like to go and get our ice cream. We might even go in there and get some. So we'll show you in a second. More tuk shops. So now we get into the part where there's all these fake casinos where you got all the penny machines and all different bits and pieces like that. It's good for a cheap laugh, I suppose. Just go in there with a couple of quid and put them in the machines and have a good couple of hours in there. So apparently, here Jack, come here. There's something where you can have a boat tour for 8 quid apparently. Must be something new, I've never seen it before. Let me know if you've ever been on that in the comments. 8 quid a person, high-speed boat tours. Alright, so now we've so it is called Adventure Island, that's right. So I'm pretty sure it used to be called Peter Pan's. There's 2 different entrances. I'm going to go down there. Here Jack, down here. There's more penny places up there and different places. That's that over here. We've reached the end, haven't we? We'll probably do another video another day on Adventure Island, and I'll take you around there and show you what's in there if anyone's interested. And yeah, if there's anywhere else that you want me to take you, or have a little review or look at, then let me know in the comments down below, or send me an inbox or whatever, and we'll do it. We'll have a look. So if you liked the video, please like, share and subscribe, and we'll see you next time. Thanks for watching.